And big breaking news coming in now. R.K. Pachauri, who faces 3 sexual harassment allegations and cases, is finally out of TERI. He has now issued a statement confirming that he has stepped away from TERI's governing council. My colleague Rhythm is joining us for the latest on this. Rhythm, we understand that R.K. Pachauri has issued a statement, but there have been murmurs that he was asked finally by TERI to actually leave.
Absolutely. And Tina, remember that the TERI has asked him in this meeting to be stepping aside. Sources of the governing council indicating that this was made clear in the April 18th meeting this month. So very clearly now this statement from Dr. Pachauri stating that he wants to move on to greener pastures abroad to do other climate exchange work is clearly trying to play, an escape route to save more embarrassment. In fact, a disgraced R.K. Pachauri had to move out after TERI in its statement, and not in its statement, but in its meeting has clearly indicated that there is no longer any space for the disgraced head of TERI to be a part of TERI anymore. In fact, we were also trying to get in touch with the victim who's questioning why dues have been paid to him since he continues to be in some way a part of TERI till 2016 or 2017. She questions why no dues were paid to her. So clearly, even as he is being moved out of TERI, the question still remains whether in fact she will get any justice in the sexual harassment that is pending against her. Remember, this becomes so crucial because there are 2 other girls who've also spoken up.